I'm gonna show you guys how to replace your brakes and rotors in less than 60 seconds. Let's go. First step you want to do is go ahead and open up your brake cap reservoir. On this one, we're lucky we got a jack. So we're gonna go ahead and lift it up. Next step, go ahead and remove your lug nut. Now we're good to remove the wheel. Go ahead and turn the wheel just so we got more room to work with on this side. We're gonna remove the 19 on the inside so we can get the caliper off. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and stick the screwdriver in and set the caliper back just like that. When you got the 19s out, go ahead and just slide it out just like that and store it in a safe place. We got 2 Phillips screws right here that hold the rotor in. So go ahead, remove those. Now that you got the screws off, you're good to remove just like that. Difference between old and new. Slide it in, just like that. Slide your screws in to hold the new rotor. Caliper back. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the calipers. We get to the brake pads. And then slide it up just like that. There they are. Wow, look at those. Look at the difference on those pads. That one's down to its metal. That's a new pad going in. Now it's time to lube it up. Your slide pins, make sure you get all around, lube them up, lube them up. Now it's time to slide the new pads in. Just like that. Other side too. Now that you got your new pads in, go ahead, close your caliper back up. Just like that, slide your pin back in, tighten it up. Straighten your wheel back up. Slide your wheel back in, tighten them up. Now that you got that one side done, go ahead and repeat the same process all the way around. Now you want to go inside your car, start it up, and then start to pump the brakes, just like this, till it gets hard. Don't forget to close your brake reservoir. Now you want to close your hood, and you're all set.